Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today I want to share a little bit about me and what to expect in my channel. So if you guys want to get to know me a little better, then keep on watching. So, as I mentioned, my name is Steffany. I am a mother of 4 beautiful girls, married to an amazing husband. I live in Massachusetts, and I have a passion for beauty, for makeup, for skincare. I love fashion. From the womb, you guys. I can't remember not ever being in love and interested in beauty. Ever since I was a little girl, I knew that I wanted to be involved in the beauty industry and the fashion industry one way or another. If you go on my blog and read about me, there's actually more details on how all the inspiration and all of the influences in my life that I had growing up and that just made my love and passion for beauty even that much stronger. Guys, I began my blog back in 2011. Still have my blog to this day. That is my baby, and there I love sharing makeup reviews, skincare reviews. I also included a lifestyle section, and there I share dieting and fitness and all of my lifestyle choices and things that I had success with or no success with, but I want to share with you guys. So make sure that you do check out my blog. There's so much content there throughout these 10 years that I've put in there, and there's only gonna be more, so make sure to check that out. After I started my blog, I became even more obsessed. Like, my first love was makeup, but skincare just became my obsession. I was suffering from acne at the time, and that inspired me to go to aesthetic school. There I became a licensed esthetician, and after gaining my license, I opened up my own studio in Massachusetts, where I worked for like maybe 3 years, a little bit less than 3 years, but I was able to gain so much knowledge from working hands-on and working on different skins, and it was just an invaluable experience that, although I realized I didn't want to work as an esthetician, I will never regret, you guys, because that gave me so much confidence, not only for my own skincare routines and building my routines that work for me, but also when recommending products to other people. That it's invaluable. Again, I love having had all of that experience. I was a makeup artist for even longer than my blog. So many weddings and so many special events. 2012, I also created a YouTube channel at the time, and it was called Steffany's Choice, just like my blog. I had it for a couple of years, and this would be a story for another time. I did delete the channel, although I had pretty good following. I deleted it, and years later I started this channel. Why is making my daughters proud of their mother. I want my daughters to know that mommy loves them and that mommy does prioritize them and always will, but mommy is still living. Mommy will forever still prioritize self-care and self-love and I want them to know that if they're passionate about anything in life, they should never give up, regardless of what's happening, even if they take long breaks in between or have to start over, that it doesn't matter. That as long as you're every day putting a little bit of effort towards something that you genuinely and truly want and truly makes you happy, then that's what you need to go after. So in my channel, you can expect makeup, skincare, fashion, lifestyle. It's short and sweet because this is going to be a long journey where I hope that as you follow along, you get to know me more and more. I do want to share so much. I feel like I've lived so many different lives and had so much experience in different stuff, and I just want to find people to connect. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that share button and that like. All of those help me out so much, you guys. And I hope to see you on the next video. Mwah! Bye.